You too. It's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, in this video, we gonna talk about what's better. Is it the butters or is it the pomades? Because there'll be a lot of talk back and forth about butters and pomades. But we gonna talk about it after this. Stay tuned. Alright, yeah, so we back, alright? So I'm gonna start it off and we're gonna go ahead and talk about butters, alright? Now, one of the jobs of a butter is to moisturize and hydrate the hair. The second thing that a butter does is softens your hair, alright? It helps soften your hair. So if your hair is like real brittle or your hair feels kind of rough or hard or whatever like that, you put some of this good old butter in your hair, I promise you it's gonna soften your hair. When you put the product in your hair and it softens it, it also helps with manageability, okay? Which means it helps to allow your hair to be managed a whole lot more better because you done softened it up, and now you can get combs through your hair a lot easier, you can brush your hair a lot easier, and hair naturally moves better, looks better when it's moisturized and soft, all right? Butters also add shine to your hair, all right? They also add shine. How do they add shine? Because butters, most of the time, butters have oils in them. All right, and like this one, like this As I Am double buttercream right here. This butter has cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, sugar beetroot, amongst other things. All right, so with all of these properties or with all of these ingredients inside this butter, those things, especially the oils, those are definitely going to add some shine to your hair, and that's going to help to soften your hair, moisturize your hair, hydrate your hair, okay? So that's the purpose of a butter. So a lot of people, if you're a coarse hair waver, it don't matter what, honestly, it don't matter what texture waver you are, you can use a butter, all right? But this is where we get into the pomades at. Any waver, no matter what your texture is, can use a butter, okay? But some wavers don't like using pomades and stuff like that. Now, because of my hair texture, I'm a medium texture waver. If y'all did not know, I am a medium texture waver. And a pomade is necessary, all right? So let's get rid of the butter and get the pomade. All right, so now I got the pomade. The pomade right here that I decided to pick up was the Murray's, all right? I know a lot of people don't like using Murray's. Like, oh, Cash, that ain't natural, man. Watch, your hair gonna fall out. You use this, man. Stop it, all right? Murray's gets the job done, all right? It gets the job done. But not just Murray's, a thick enough pomade. Now, me being a medium texture waver, my hair is very loose, my hair shifts very easy, and I need something that's gonna give me some serious hold in order for my waves to come in good, in order for my connections to come in good, in order for my hair not to shift. So I have to use a pomade. So one of the things that a pomade does for your hair is gives you that hold. Gives you that hold. A butter is not going to give you that hold. So like I said, butter serves its purpose, but so does pomades, all right? And a pomade purpose is to give you hold, all right? So you can even put some pomade in your hair and pick your hair up with the pomade in, and it's going to stay like that. That was what this was made for. This was intended to keep hair in place, all right? So pomades keep hair in place. Now, a pomade can also add shine, all right? Depending on the kind of pomade you get. Some pomades come with have a matte finish to it, matte meaning like a flat finish, and then some pomades have a gloss to it, which adds shine, all right? So it all depends on the kind of pomade that you decide to get, whether that pomade is going to give you that shine. The next thing that pomades do for your hair, it actually helps with the texture and the tone of your hair. Texture and the tone. Now, if you're a coarse hair waver or medium hair waver or even a straight hair waver, all right, you put some pomade in your hair goes from being this rough looking hair or this dry looking hair to looking silky, looking kind of smooth, because that pomade is going to lay that hair down and the pomade is going to get between your hair strands, and when you brush, it's going to smooth your hair out and it's going to make your hair look better than it actually is. And y'all know that to be true, all right? So pomades do affect the texture and the tone of the hair, okay? The look of it, all right? Basically talking about the visual look of it. Is it actually changing your hair texture completely? No, it's not, all right? But it is making it look better, all right? And it's adding shine to your hair. If you get one, see like the Murray's, this one right here actually has like a gloss to it, if y'all can see it. All right, the Murray's actually has like a little bit of gloss, has a gloss to it, right? But there are pomades out there that will give you a matte finish that will add no shine to your hair whatsoever, all right? Natural pomades are also will add shine to your hair because they have oils and natural ingredients inside of it, all right? But they would not really give you the hold that you're looking for, all right? So if you get a natural pomade, more than likely a natural pomade is not going to give you no hold like no Murray's, all right? A natural pomade is going to almost feel like a butter. Some of them are a little thicker than butters, but a lot of them that's natural feel like butters. If you get an unnatural pomade, you're going to have that thick petroleum kind of hold to it, and some people need that, and I'm one of the people that need that, all right? So at the end of the day, the question is, what's better? Is it the butters or is it the pomades? Honestly, it ain't about which one is better. It's about whatever you needed to do. They both serve a purpose. They serve a purpose. And honestly, you can use a butter and still use the pomade if you want to. I have done that on numerous occasions, okay? I have sat up there, used the double buttercream to put in my hair, to moisturize the hair, hydrate it, you understand? Say, give my hair that wet look, and then I'll put the Murray's in it to go ahead and give my hair that hold, all right? So in this wave game, you gotta experiment, you gotta try things, you gotta use different products and stuff like that. What may work for me may not work for you. What works for the next waver may not work for you. That's why we sit up here, we buy different products and we try things. So it ain't about which one is better, butters or pomades. They both serve their purpose. They're both good, and you just use whatever it is that you need. Sometimes you might not have to use the pomade. I don't put pomade in my hair every day. I don't put butters in my hair every day. I put it as necessary or when it is needed, all right? But anyway, it's your boy Cash. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And get y'all some of this Waivers Anonymous, man. I want to tell you, I appreciate everyone who's been purchasing the Waivers Anonymous gear, the sweaters, the t-shirts, the hats, everything. I appreciate y'all, all my new subscribers. I love y'all, all right? It's your boy Cash. Peace.